My name is Kristen Stensby, and I am the co-founder of Showroom Pricing. My family owns a flooring company in St. Louis, and that's where I grew up. I worked there growing up through high school and everything like that. So the first part of the customer experience is the overwhelming feeling when you walk into a flooring store that has so many products and you really don't know where to start. And the one hurdle that was even hard for us to get over was how much is each product and which exact ones will fit into a customer's budget. The prices are changing all the time, whether that's for sale prices or price increases, and to keep up with it was its own exhaustion. And the other things, the design, the product, the specs and things like that kind of became background noise to, is this in my budget? We lost a lot of that excitement from the customer, and we wanted that experience to be not about only the price. So we looked into QR codes or barcodes and ways that we could apply them in a showroom for flooring. As the manufacturers are pushing the data through, Showroom Pricing is reading those and updating those QR codes. When you have an Excel spreadsheet that is not part of that B2B kind of integrated data, you can send that directly to us and we will run it through the system. And then that will push out to the QR codes too. So if you type in a SKU for any display or any sample, it will give you that QR code for you to print out and stick onto the sample. The QR code sticker actually never changes. So there's no more labor-intensive stickering. Once you've done it, you're done. The information feeding the QR code may change when those prices change. No matter if you scan it today or scan it in 3 years, the most up-to-date price is going to be what is behind that QR code. When you scan a QR code at ABC Flooring, it's going to bring you to abcflooring.showroompricing.com. And that is where your price for that product is going to live. And then anything that you do to that, add taxes, add margins, whatever you need to put in to get to your retail price, that is that store's retail price. So when you're selling investment pieces like the flooring industry is, you want it to be fun and you want your consumer to remember the process as being something that was enjoyable. And we could move away from the budget talk and start talking about whether it works for their project or not. I'm excited to be able to see flooring stores not have to worry about this very time-consuming, very expensive thing anymore, and be able to make it more accessible is something I'm really excited about.